Numbering as a command within the software lets you number all the elements within a boundary. To number the rows in the PV modules, go to the Virto-Solar ribbon. In the Layout Boundary section, there is the Numbering option. This will initiate a pop-up window. Select by ticking or unticking the options you wish to show on your drawing. Numbering rows or numbering modules or racks. Select the numbering start position by selecting North or South. Selecting a boundary. To start calculations, click on the Build button. We have numbered our rows and racks. As you may notice, there are numbers R1W and R1E. These represent row 1 West and row 1 East. Other than those, there are double numbering of the modules also due to the East and West section of each row. If you wish to count modules quantity in a specific selection and determine its power characteristics, you can do this by using Count Selection option. In the Extra section, there is the Count Selection option. In the command line and on the cursor line, you will see the characteristics of the selected modules. First, it will be 0. Select the modules you wish to count. After selection in the command line and on the cursor line, you will see renewed characteristics of the selected modules. If you will continue to select modules, their quantity and power will be added to previous data. To finalize count selection, press Enter or space. The Summary palettes gives an overview of the whole project, all the necessary data. In the Extra section, there is Summary Palettes option. This is a toggle button. You can close or open the palette by clicking on this button. This will initiate window with numerous options. Tabs with data by modules and by racks. Alignment of the data table, select and tick either vertical or horizontal type. Colorization option can be checked to visualize racks modules with different colors. Every time you change information within your drawing, you need to refresh the Summary palette in order to update. In the Columns section, you can select to show or hide certain properties of your system in the table. In the Modules tab, these are Brand, Type, Power, Size, Weight, Orientation, Tilt Surface, Azimuth. PV Array Name, Quantity, PV Power, Layer Name, Tilt Horizontal. In the Racks tab, there are such properties as Rack Type, Piles, Length, Bottom Height, Top Height, Tilt, Insulation Angle, PV Array Name, Rack Quantity, Emitted Modules, Layer Name. Also, in Summary Tables window, you can export tables data to Excel file. Click on Export Modules to Excel. This will initiate a pop-up window where you need to select a path to folder in which you want to save your file. Determine file name and click Save. After that, in a pop-up window, you will be asked if you want to open created Excel file. Click on Yes, will open created Excel file. In the opened Excel file, you can see and continue work with the same data table as you see in the Summary Tables window. With Summary Tables, you can also add tables with the schedule of all your elements into your drawing. In the Summary Palettes window, click on one of the options. Depending on what data you wish to show on the drawing modules and racks. Pick a point for table on your model or layout space to determine the lower right point of the table. In the pop-up window, select the PV areas which you wish to show in your table. In the case you want to select all the areas in one click or cancel previous selection, click Select Deselect All button. To finalize insertion of a table with modules or racks information onto your drawing, click OK.